Hey, what's up? It's Joey. Hey, I'm a bit of a dingo, but I'm here to learn all about the famous Halal Snack Pack at Viva Kebabs. Chips
On top.
Is that enough? Do you reckon?
More.
How's that looking?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Whereabouts is the tomato sauce?
Yeah. Tomato? No
Tomato
tomato.
sauce.
Garlic chili barbecue. Best.
Okay. What sort of meat's this?
There's chicken and lamb.
Oh my goodness,
Okay.
that's ridiculous.
Fruit cheese on top.
Wouldn't want to have a date tonight. Oh man. All right, there you go, brother. Enjoy that.
Okay, baby.
That's insane. So I've ditched the Tommy sauce for the Holy Trinity. Let's give it a go. Oh, oh. What do you reckon?